Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly time frame, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen monthly, I mean, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, especially with how impulsive down it is. If this is the end of a wave 5, then it will most likely go down and take out the low wave 4 and probably going to be all just one downtrend, probably like this. And this one downtrend will either be a wave A or a wave 1. So I think we definitely have a lot of downside potential, but at some point we're probably going to have to make a 1 and a 2 of wave A or wave 1 on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, this is a very, very, very strong move down, and we've been looking for shorts for the past several weeks ever since it broke starts it down on the daily. Most likely place for this to end the wave 1 of A or wave 1 of 1 is probably around the low of this wave 4. Probably going to make a double bottom right there, then break structure, then make a corrective wave 2, or yeah, most likely a 1 and a 2, and then go down for a 3, 4, 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely no reason to think this is over, and I am 100% sure that this is still a wave 3 of that first trend, like I was explaining on the higher time frames. Eventually, it probably will have to make a pretty good bounce for wave 4, and then another push down for wave 5. Then we'll probably get a break of structure, which will prove the wave 1 of A or wave 1 of 1 is complete. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I personally am only looking for shorts right now. I mean, the trend is definitely your friend, and if you did nothing but look for shorts on every single one of these pullbacks over the last like 4 weeks or more, man, you would have seen significant increases in your trading account. I think it's going to take out the low of the 100%, which is the 100% on the daily time frame. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts. Even when it does start to move to the upside, I'm very confident it's just going to be a wave 4, and it'll probably go down again for a wave 5 to complete this 5 way pattern on the 4 hour and daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts. I definitely am not going to go short now. In order for me to go short, I would have to see a pullback, and I would prefer that pullback to be 3 waves, like some sort of an ABC, something like this over here. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. So that's exactly what I'm looking for, is these 3 way pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. If I see 3 waves up, if I see impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then that's going to be another short for me for the continuation of the downtrend. Just like I spent probably 6 months or more saying that I was only looking for longs on the yen pairs, now I'm probably going to spend at least that long saying that I'm only looking for shorts on the yen pairs, and I'm only looking to go short on pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.